Can you imagine? Producing tens of millions of parts in just 1 month? How does your supplier ensure such a massive supply? It doesn't sound like an easy task, does it? Hello everyone, I'm Kyle Murray, the Director of Engineering at First Mold. If you're concerned about production capacity and delivery while considering the right supplier, then you are watching the right video. When evaluating our production capacity, we usually consider the following aspects: how many machines, how many cavities, and the cycle time. The cycle time represents the time required for each product molding, while the number of cavities significantly increases the number of products obtained per cycle. Assuming our cycle time is 1 minute with 8 cavities, and production runs for 8 hours a day, then each machine can produce 3,140 parts in a day. That means with 50 injection molding machines, we can produce approximately 3,200 parts per minute, totaling over 1.5 million parts per day, and a staggering 46 million parts in a month. What an astonishing number! In the mass production process, differences in product and mold design also affect the number of cavities and the length of the cycle time, thus influencing production efficiency. Additionally, the production efficiency of the product is also related to the processes and materials used. Anyway, efficient and stable production relies on excellent mold design, suitable materials and processes, and sufficient production equipment. Now you know what conditions are required to produce tens of millions of parts in a month. If you find this information helpful, please share, like, or subscribe to our channel. In the next episode, we will discuss. Feel free to comment below with any topics related to injection molding production that you would like to learn more about.